Talia's first motorbike ride on Daddy's motorbike. How was it?
Really good. Talia loved it.
Oh, she wants more.
She wanted to go fast. You want to go one more ride? Should I take her for one more?
One more, yeah.
Okay, Talia. One more ride.
Yay.
Want to do the same road? Okay. Okay, Mama, one more.